papunta na kami ng hospital para EIE.
Uwi pa ba tayo?
Hindi na, diretso na yan. Lalabas na si Amari. Hey! Lilabor na yan. Oh, naglilabor na. Yan, balik sa lakad kasi pinauwi. Di pa daw okay, di pa pwede. Sarado pa yung tindahan.
Bukas na.
Bukas na pero hindi pa bumababa ng bahagya. Kaya kailangan ulit maglakad, di buntis. Yan, lakad siya. Lakad. Time out si buntis eh.
Time out. For 3 months.
I won't be afraid, I know my God. He holds the whole wide world inside his hands. I won't shy away from the unknown.
Na
'Cause I know that
moment
it's
of truth.
all inside his plan.
Mari, lalabas ka na, Mari.
I won't be afraid
Mahirapan si Mama.
of any shadow. 'Cause I know that his light will lead me on.
May pillar ka?
Opo.
Tirano na yan?
Tayan po. Whenever sorrow comes, 'cause I know that I'm never alone. I will trust in the Lord.
Pray ka lang.
Everything I have,
Pray lang yan.
I will bring all my praise.
Pray baby ha, pray.
The good and the bad, I will worship in the waiting. When I cannot see the end, He's never let me down, and that'll never change. So I'll praise Him anyway. I will walk in peace, He goes before me, and I will never cower at what comes. I won't let my mind fall to anxiety. I am not afraid, I know my God. No, I am not afraid, I know my God. I will trust in the Lord with everything I have. I will bring Him all my praise, in the good and the bad. I will worship in the waiting. When I cannot see the end, He's never let me down, and that'll never change. So I praise Him anyway. If you're not in it, I don't want it.
Mari.
I will trust in your plan. If I don't get it, I don't need it. If it's not what you have,
Mari, ang
if I
nanay
don't
mo
see,
kakain.
I'll believe
Hindi
it.
ako nakakain niya.
It's It's all in your hands.
Sashimi, 1 kilo daw. Mukbang daw siya, mukbang.
Kain tayo.
God, you're
Mukbang sashimi.
moving. If you're not
Hindi ka
in
panalo.
it, I don't want it. I will trust in your plan. If I don't get it, I don't need it. If it's not what you have, if I don't see it, I'll believe it. It's all in your hands. So if I'm waiting, God, you're moving. If I'm waiting, God, you're moving.
First day 1 ng pagpupuyat namin.
Everything
Puyat mo.
It's real.
Yes.
I bring 'em all my praise, in the good and the bad. I will worship in the waiting, when I cannot see the end. He's never let me down, and I don't ever change, so I'll praise him anyway.
Yan, miss na miss niya yan. Sunny side up. Inom ko pa. Care of Lolo and Lola. Yan.
Yung munggo pa ibot mo.
Lagay sa ano,
So, bill settled na. Lalabas na. Lalabas na kami nila, Amari.
Yan, ang dami niya ng dala. Dati belt bag lang.
Thank you po. Salamat. Thank you. Amari, uwi na? Aba, umalis tayong 2, uuwi tayong 3 ah. Hindi, 3 rin pala no, nasa tiyan lang siya. Ayan, so sa likod na po nakaupo. May baby na. Ayan na, uwi na si Amari. Anong bahala dyan? Buksan ko muna ang pinto. Ay, andyan sa yung susi. Ni Kuya. Pasok sa bahay ni Kuya. Lamig. Ba, effective ah. Jabe, effective to. Ayan na.